The Grand Prix of Spain at Intu Xanadu in Arroyomolinos witnessed an intense round 2 of the 2024 Mxgp season, marked by thrilling performances from riders representing Red Bull KTM factory racing. Andrea Adamo, piloting his KTM 250 SXF, clinched a remarkable victory in the second MX2 Moto, securing a well-deserved third place overall. Meanwhile, Herlings showcased his prowess in the Mxgp class, finishing fourth with the KTM 450 SXF, matching points for third place. The event unfolded amidst the picturesque landscape on the outskirts of Madrid, where riders faced the challenges of the rough and rutted hard-packed terrain. The Spanish circuit, a staple venue for Mxgp, set the stage for an electrifying showdown among the world's best motocross athletes. In Mxgp, Herlings delivered a commendable performance, claiming third place in the first Moto after a fierce battle with Tim Geiser. Despite starting on a positive note, the second race saw Herlings maintain his position in fourth, securing a consistent performance throughout the Grand Prix. Liam Everts marked his return to the Grand Prix arena with a solid display of skill, finishing fifth overall after a promising run in the qualification heat. His consistent performance reflected his resilience on the track, earning him a respectable position in the standings. Sasha Koenen showcased remarkable speed and potential, finishing ninth in MX2, with an impressive hole shot in the second Moto highlighting his capabilities as a promising talent in the sport. Reflecting on his achievements, Herlings expressed satisfaction with his performance, acknowledging the improvements made since the previous round in Argentina. He remained optimistic about his prospects for the upcoming Grand Prix in Sardinia, aiming for a podium finish. Andrea Adamo, buoyed by his first-place finish in the second MX2 Moto, reflected on his progress since Argentina, attributing his success to diligent preparation during the winter. Despite acknowledging the challenges faced, Adamo expressed confidence in his continuous improvement and eagerly anticipated the next Grand Prix. Liam Everts expressed positivity about his return to action, emphasizing his good form and resilience on the track. Despite minor setbacks, Everts remained upbeat about his performance and looked forward to building upon his success in future races. Sasha Koenen, despite encountering difficulties during the Grand Prix, remained determined to overcome challenges and improve his performance in subsequent events. The thrilling action at the Grand Prix of Spain sets the stage for the upcoming Grand Prix in Sardo, Italy, promising another exhilarating showdown among motocross enthusiasts.